In today's hyper-connected world, we all expect technology to run, well, seamlessly, right? After all, no one likes it when technology gets in the way. And when those systems perform well, your people can thrive. When you're a fast-growing, successful business, there's a lot to think about, a lot to juggle. Managing multiple suppliers takes time, which can be tough, especially in a competitive world. We tailor a solution to suit your business vision, taking care of your entire technology integration across multiple disciplines. We've done it for some pretty impressive businesses too. It's what we do. We start from the ground up, partnering with you to understand your needs. Then, we install and integrate systems that will grow with you. Using one provider for your communication services means your solution works smarter for your business. And our maintenance packages ensure everything's working as it should, day and night, all around the world. We support you every step of the way to ensure all your people are happy. From this person to that person and everyone in between, which is great for you and for the bigger picture, as our solutions will fit your business today and for what the future holds.